So today we are going to be playing the game Floyd Danger, Quest for the Complete Sentence. The purpose of this game is to identify complete sentences and sentence fragments, putting them in the right spot and collecting as much treasure as we can. So right now what I'm doing is collecting coins, working my way through the tunnel at the moment while avoiding the danger at this stage being the snakes on the ground. So up here, as we can see, we've come to a little stop in our little quest for treasure. So drag each inscription into the correct basket. Floyd threw the snake. That is a complete sentence. The poisonous and startled snake. Floyd decoded the message. Complete sentence. The poisonous and startled snake is a sentence fragment. Will to go find the scared grail. Sentence fragment. And now we collect the treasure and we move on through. So now, as we can see, we've gone further in, so we've got more dangers. We've got the rolling cats and the holes in the floor. So now I need to complete this sentence. So Floyd quickly discovered, and then let's go through. Let's go through how to fly an airplane. That's a complete sentence. So we hit done. And then the door will open because we made a complete sentence. So this is very good because throughout the game we're collecting treasure, but we're also learning complete sentence and fragments and sentence fragments. So making it like a treasure hunt is a very good and effective way for kids to learn. Thank you for watching.